So yes guys, before the video start, me need you to like, share, comment and subscribe. And guys, please turn on post notification because you know now turn on the post notification for the post notification. Post them. Enjoy this video guys.
Oh, that's Skillibeng.
Yes, sir.
The rich fast like come with an expect and how you take.
It's all road.
The glad to see the artist now. You ready for the new rhythm, yeah?
You know Jack, huh?
Before we start, what pre? Everything good?
Everything mad.
Wait. Me nah cut out. What your intents have?
Don't ask me.
So how me fi ask then?
Ask my dip on the road and see.
Alright. How the play your waist there?
Gun pa me waist.
Jesus
I
is
see
Lord.
the intents over there. How do you have gun so? What you do with gun as artists?
I don't left it.
Alright my artists, get ready.
Brick. Brick pam brick. Brick pam brick pam brick. Brick pam brick.
Hold on there, Skillibeng. I be a massive town fly the studio here.
If I fly pitch pa me is another body.
Skilly, you see this there? You even threatening me in my own studio? They must say, oh, I'm going to, you know?
Oh no, don't grind me.
Pause, girl. Me hear my friend them evening, hear?
First thing on a bowl like me.
Ball. First thing football like you fly to wall. I must paper bullet in over on the gun. What kind of bullet you have?
A crocodile teeth.
Jesus.
You know what? Just have to buy this down. Down, yeah, down for the level there. Yeah, for level 0. Yeah, left this.
Who bother me?
Skilly, look how let me give you props, dog. When we finish the summer, dog, tell me that later to my brother.
Suck your woman.
Just so.
Video bad, you know dog, yo, that Skillibeng video the bad. Yo, just subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my channel. Go subscribe to TEVDON Entertainment. Get him to 1K subscribers. I want you to subscribe. Please turn on post notification. Jay, tell them about me music channel. Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe to TEVDON Music. Link in the description too. Yeah, and the vlog channel. Subscribe.
You see that song, you see that you see that music channel there, I want you to go check out it. I put that music channel there in my description personally. So just go subscribe to my music channel, show it some love, you see it. Subscribe. Pull up in the feeder, friend them a chop a money think like greener. Chop day and night, me nah ease up. Island go to work, me a work science. One of my brick them tall like giant. Funny text no, me a call one client.